Welcome to this episode of Transformation Club, and today we have Panchakshari, who's a part of our community and who has gone through the 2XP growth program, and who's also a working professional. And it's amazing the way he has transformed in just few months, overcoming a lot of inner challenges. Thank you so much, Panchakshari, for being here and coming here to share your experience regarding the 2XP growth program and being a part of this community.
Yeah, thank you, Guru sir. Glad to here join with you, and it is my it is a bless. I think it is my bless to communicate with you all the time. So it is very nice to talk to you, sir.
Great. So I just want to know, Panchakshari, when you came, I still remember you were so much confused, you were having so much of fears, so much of doubts, How was your state before you started and how is now, Now I also come to know that you wanted to change your job and you're worried and now you got 5 job offers. That's what I
Yeah,
heard last time when I spoke to
yeah,
you.
yeah.
So, how was your state before you joined this 3 months program and how are you right now? Let me know like quickly how did the change happen and what did you do?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, before joining this course, this the lifetime coach class, I was really I was my mind was flickering. So feel still confusing which one I have to do, whether go forward or not. What will happen if if we change the job? Or what happen if we do that? It's full of negativity. There is no positivity in my mind at all. As my really frank I'm telling, because of life, because it is not a small journey. Life journey is around 50, 60 years, long journey. So if you change a job, I think I may stuck up. Say, if I am, I will be not working fine. Something the managers will fire me. Like this, full negativity was there in my mind. But after
Correct.
join this course, I got a, I followed the gurus, whatever Guruji said. I followed a one to end to end. Whatever he says, I followed. And one thing I will observe, whatever here I got lot of information, a lot of positivity, lot of mindset, a positive mindset also we got it here. So first of all, Guru sir, he slowly he was I attended the all whatever the 2XP program classes around 8 week class or 8 week program. I attended each and every day. I followed. Here consistency is very important. Here first of all, should not break the consistency. Each and every day you should follow the you should watch the video. You have to do the homework for your as per the guru's class or in the, video class, whatever available in the the website. So I followed that, and every week I discuss with the Guru sir, whatever I asked a question, negative question, he answered properly. What I expected, I got it from him. So that's how I not only I hear, I listened, just I implemented also. So seriously, I implemented because I have to change my life in life. That's the main intention of my previous goal. So I followed what Guru says. Guru said. Then along with that, I followed whatever suggestion were given by him. So once I see one thing I want to say is morning millionaire session, morning millionaire session also. It changed me a lot. I mean, really, I promise I'm telling you, morning millionaire session changed me a lot because there is a program is that that journaling the things that is a major part to change our life, because each and every day if you write whatever you want to do, the goal settings, commitment, your gratitude to others, gratitude to yourself. So these are all what to do, not to do list. Very amazing step to improve our life. And the yoga meditation is then a breathing exercise, the Dotanal, very nice to or the change our lifetime. Along with that, awareness. Once you start to do that millennial program, you'll get a lot of awareness. What is happening around us, around me, how I am, how others. So you start to compare your negativity to other positivity thoughts. So likewise, step by step I followed gurus and I changed my life. Now earlier I used to I was getting fear. I scared to change a job, but after got guru speech from the guru, I got confidence. I started such a job. I got one offer from starting one small company. Then secondly, I got Tata LSA. Third, Toyota Uri. Then Boeing. So like this. this last series of jobs I got. Thanks, Guru sir, for you. Now I got confidence. If you don't know anything to work, I go and go to new company. I learn something. I implement myself without any scary, without any fear. I that much of confidence I got now. So somewhere
Great.
again, I know that something somewhere fear is there, scare will be there. But you should not to focus on fear. You should focus on the positive. How can we overcome that fear? How can you stop to fear? Stop to do the positivity in my life. So that if you follow that positiveness, definitely everyone will succeed. Not only in job, getting new jobs, in business also, in relationship to maintain the relationship, to maintain like this, it can change everywhere.
Great. So,
That's so.
now since you got five offers, like how is your confidence level, and which job have you chosen now? Where are you going to join now?
Sir, actually, I'm between the confusion between the Tito Uri and Tata ELXI. Between either one of the companies I'm joining. So I'm not sure this still. I 20 next month, third is my joining date. So by that time, I should choose. Both are good companies only. So still, I'm thinking which is the best one. I think 90% I go to Tito Uri. Rest of the things Tata ELXI. Let us see, because I'm getting the feedback from all my friends who are working there. So I will not yet decided.
So, how are people responding now, seeing the transformation in you within a matter of time? Are there people noticing it and they're asking you
Yeah.
like,
Yes, sir. My wife only today she told that, "Oh, you changed a lot. You were how you were in the first 3 4 months ago. Now how you are right now. It's a lot of changes, lot of attitude and positivity with you. Earlier and all, you had a lot of negativity. Whatever you talk in your negative words were there. Now everything stopped. No. Anyway, I told her because of Guru sir only I did like this. She knows so. Ever attending. So she's also showing interest to join this course. Soon she will join this
great,
course. Yeah,
great, amazing. So, what
yeah.
are your top takeaways from this program and being a part of this community and stuff? What are your top
Takeaway.
one? You said about journaling and stuff, very important. Apart from that, what else was your takeaway?
Journaling, goal setting is very very important. How to divide the goals in a smaller goals to implement achieve that weekly or daily or however you want. That is the third one. Then the fourth one is morning, wake up around 5:30 6 o'clock. That is amazing time, because as our ancestor, our gurujis means our Vedas used to tell like that, if you wake up early, you will get lot of energy in the morning. So that's why I used to early. That is also one of the advantage after joining this course. And fourth one is awareness. You will get a lot of self awareness. What is self awareness, body awareness, and our soul. So one thing, breathing, you will be improving health also along with wealth. Health both will be improving here. That's also one of the takeaway. And one more thing is as I mm, and the positivity, and one more is there. I that's remembering that. Um, Procrastination. See here, if you start to do this, you will stop to procrastination thing, whatever you want to do in future. So take step now only. You can implement now. I can apply now. So that one I have I took from Guru sir. Really, Guru sir, he made me like this. I stopped the procrastination. That also I one thing I want to say. Then
Okay, so right now, Panchakshari, what are your future goal right now? What do you want to accomplish in the next maybe few years?
yeah, my immediate goal after joining this course is I want to become a cloud architect. That is my first goal. Then slowly I want to start my own company. I wanted to start. That is my long-term goal. And along with these two, I want to serve people like how we are doing. No, same. I want to change the negative people to positive people, positive way. And whatever the thing having they're doing bad things, I want to be. I want aware of them. The whatever the bad that they are doing bad thing. So that one I want to
Great,
be.
great,
I want to do that. Yeah, that is also one of my goals.
great, amazing. So, what do you recommend? Like, what suggestion or recommendation you give for people who are looking forward to join our community and go through this 2XP growth program? Why do you think every person should join this?
Yeah, one thing if you really need your your need change in your life, you want to see changes in your life, you should join this course. And if you really want to improve your career, if you improve your financial status, improve your relationship, improve your whatever you want to do in your life, this is the best platform to achieve to overcome all the negativity or whatever the things are there. It is the best platform to get those things, positivity things.
Great, great,
Not
great.
only
So
one thing,
thank
every
you.
fields. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, great, great. So thank you so much, Panchakshari, for coming and sharing your experience. I really wish you all the best with your new job and new company. And I'm sure the way you're transformed in just a matter of 3 to 4 months is really amazing. And it
yeah,
all because of your commitment and your dedication and your persistency of attending the sessions and completing the assignments and following the structure properly.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your mentoring. I want to
Great, sir.
with you for a long time. Yeah,
Sure, sure, sure. Great,
thank
great.
you.